Okay. Hi guys, it's CJ of Yugatech, and today we're bringing back the What's in My Bag series, starting with my bag. Let's get started. So before we start with the bag, we're gonna start with my pockets first, which is my phone. My phone is the Xiaomi 11T, not the Pro version, just T. It has a custom painted case that features a character and the charm. Besides that, I think I have, yep, I do. I have a handkerchief as well. So going to the bag itself, I got this bag from my brother. I have no idea what brand it is. It's just a black bag that I added pins to. So you see the coffee bean and tea leaf pin, the Dragon Ball pin, and 2 Dungeons and Dragons pins. Now let's go in the bag itself. In the bag, let's put it here. I have the Xiaomi Pad 6, which is my work device. It comes with a third-party stylus, and you're good. You got this. And a third-party keyboard. This is what I use for producing scripts, maybe some short-form content. But yeah, besides that, I also have a Realme power bank. So it has the word Tech Life on it, and it's 10,000 milliamp hour. Next, I have, there we go, my Xiaomi 33-watt charger for the tablet. The Xiaomi 11T uses a 67-watt brick, which I did not bring today. Whoops. And besides that, I have my little coin purse that has my Yugatech ID. So next is my hygiene kit, which is from Kipling. It has Mickey and his friends. I will not go into full closure what is in my hygiene kit for reasons. Next is an umbrella, because the Philippines weather can be very unpredictable in times. Because of that, the heat is unbearable, which is why I have an extra change of shirt and socks if it gets too wet. Thanks, Mom. Love you. And I have tissues, also packed by my mother, and a bunch of trash and candy. Got some gummies from Welsh and Haribo gummy bears. You want? Yo! But he tried to catch it. It was worth a shot. All right, and in the last zipper, I got, well, more candy, because your girl gets dizzy in rides. I got Mentos and Werther's original hard candy. I'm old, I don't know. Yeah. And my house keys, more candy. Green Cross Total Defense alcohol. Yes, maybe you might need the Green Cross alcohol too. There's that. And so I have a case for my Soundpeats TWS buds. They are the Soundpeats Air 3 Pro, if I remember correctly. And it comes in the Pokemon case. And last, I think here is my eye drop, because fun fact, I wear contacts, so my sight is not the best. And I guess that's it for my bag. I don't bring that much because my back would hurt often. And yeah, if you want to see more, let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias. Again, I'm CJ. I'll see you in the next one. Bye! You want it?
Yeah.
Do I actually try?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2. Well,
Oh, I tried. I only have one hand.
that's the blooper there.